ना शर्मा पूछ रही हैं हाउ टू इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। सभी लोग आ जाएं, मैं आपको बहुत ही अच्छे यहाँ पे सजेशंस दूंगा कि हाउ टू इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। सी मतलब हम लोग का ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है, वी नो हाउ टू इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। यू डोंट नो, सी यू डोंट नो, बट यूट्यूब पे मैनी पीपल नो हाउ टू इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। आई नो, आई कैन टेल यू हाउ टू इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। ठीक है, सी स्टडी। और क्या बताएं, हो गया खत्म, आंसर ओवर। स्टडी, योर आंसर इज STUDY, स्टडी, वन वर्ड आंसर था, खत्म। ठीक है, चले। एक बच्चा कह रहा है पीछे से म्यूजिक बज रही है, ओ वाली हो गई। स्टडी, यू विल इम्प्रूव मार्क्स इन टेस्ट। उसको पढ़ना को किसी ने बताया नहीं है, पढ़ना यू हैव नेवर बीन टोल्ड। Aparna was thinking there is something else for test. Aparna was thinking to improve marks in test, you have to do something else. You have to, maybe you have to exercise, or maybe you have to go for running in the morning. Okay, or maybe you have to do dab. Dab can increase marks, or maybe you have to dance. Aparna is innocent girl. ठीक है, we need to respect her emotions. Aparna is innocent, she doesn't know. We need to teach her how to score marks in test. This is the first time in life Aparna is going to give some test. Aparna must be something 17, 18 at least. In last 18 years, Aparna has not given a single test. Aparna doesn't know how to score marks in test, how to improve marks in test. So we need to tell her, it's our responsibility. In last 18 years, Aparna has not given a single test. Now Aparna is going to give a test, that is the NEET. She want to know how to give a test, oh man. How to increase marks in test, damn, I didn't learn it. So we need to tell her that by typing *123# on mobile, you cannot improve marks in test. Aparna, I hope you are helped. You must be thankful to us now. We have told you, we have tell you, we are teaching you how to increase marks in test. We have given you the biggest life lesson, Aparna. Aparna was under the impression that how to improve. Aparna was thinking taking a selfie and posting on Instagram may increase marks in test. She was just confirming, she is innocent. She is asking कि Instagram पे कौन सी फोटो डालूं, डैब वाली डालूं या फिर वो वाला पोस्ट डाल दूं, हर सवेरे तुमको मेरी याद तो आती ही होगी ना, कोई बात नहीं, नहीं भी आती तो हम आपको याद करते हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग, आपका दिन शुभ रहे, और उसमें एक सूरज बना रहता है. सो अपर्णा वाज कंफ्यूज्ड, वी हेल्प्ड हर. लेट्स गो बैक टू द टॉपिक and remember, such a kind people we are. We have helped Aparna, a person who doesn't know how to improve marks in test. We have told her the secret that we have learned in our life, and the answer is study. चले आगे बढ़े. Please tell how to reduce sleep. See, this is the another best question coming. How to reduce sleep? Now we will not tell this. We won't expose all our secret at once. How to reduce sleep is another experience thing that we have learned in life. We won't say it directly. We will take time. Okay, we will build suspense around it. How to reduce sleep? There is a binomial expansion for this. We will expand that binomial expansion. We will work on the determinant. Then we will find the cosine, and then we will